Service version information or banner grabbing. Nmap has the option of -s capital V to identify which service is running on that specific port. Banner grabbing is a technique which is used by Nmap to identify version information. Sometimes Nmap checks for the fingerprint from their database in order to find the custom services. When service return with the version information, Nmap will going to straightly find that specific server is running on the destination system. Let's just give it a try with our target system. I'm using port number 21 to go for the specific module. -sv to identify server version, -p for specification of a port number, and I'll be using port number 21. $target will be my target. Well, let's start our Wireshark to identify the responses. Let's hit enter. All right, so here Nmap is done with its work, and it successfully shown that on port number 21, which is the state is open and running FTP service. The FTP service is running from the version for that FTP will be Pro FTPD 1.3.1. Let's find the same output or a banner from our response stream or TCP stream. So I will going to check all the packets to identify or get that specific output. And here's the packet. The packet came from the destination system to the attacker machine. And in response, as you can see, it says FTPD 1.3.1. The PR and there is a space. However, it will going to merge and it becomes Pro FTPD 1.3.1 server. Also, it discloses the B box as the destination domain or a host name. Also, the same technique can be done using NC. So I can use NC space -v to get the verbosity or a verbose output and destination IP address. For example, it will be $target1 on port. So I'll using I can choose any port number basically, and let's hit enter. And you see it returned with the banner. Banner is something when you connect to your destination service or a target service and it returns some kind of data. The same technique is used by Nmap in order to find the service version. However, when service version is not disclosed in the response, Nmap will going to check the fingerprint or whatever display result or fingerprint found from the service after connection. It will going to check from its database, and from the database it will going to identify the right service version.